Okay, so today we're going to make Aloo Gobi, a very classic, delicious vegetarian dish. So let's get started. I've peeled some potatoes. I've got about 3 cups worth of potatoes here and cut them into kind of nice chunks. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I've got a glove on, so I'm just going to give them a little mix there, and then we go straight to the cooker. Now I'm starting this off with coconut oil, but you can use a different oil if you want. Above medium heat, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Just let them do their thing in the oil for a few seconds. They'll infuse it beautifully. Then we add the potatoes, and we're going to cook these for about 4 minutes, stirring fairly often to give them a nice head start. Okay, wonderful stuff. Let's get some salt in the mix now. I mean, just to taste, it's up to you. I'm going to put in like a teaspoon maybe there. And then we're going to add some onion. Now I've cut my onion really small. Cut it bigger if you want. I've got 1 cup of onion there and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Again, a nice mix, up slightly above medium heat. We're going to go for 2 to 3 minutes. And while that's happening, we're going to do the same here with our cauliflower. A little bit of turmeric. This time I'm going with some garam masala powder. Back to the pan. In goes the cauliflower. There's about, in volume, about 4 or 5 cups there. I'm going to go for about 3 minutes stirring, pretty much, again, all of the time. Beautiful. Fresh chili, I mean, entirely up to you, just enough to taste. You might want to put more than I have. And then a teaspoon each of cumin powder and coriander powder. A nice little mix. Then I've got about 100 ml of just water. Let's get that in the mix there. And that will be followed by coconut milk. I've got about here 300 ml. We're going to give that a little mix. We're going to let it go now for me, that's going to be about another 3 or 4 minutes, but you know, you need to check the tenderness of your potato and cauliflower. And I'm super happy. You can see that the sauce or the masala has cooked down. Really, really delicious. Check it for salt. Vegetarian, vegan, absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up and a comment.